Good evening guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to talk about YouTube monetization as well as Google Adsense identity verification and payment address verification. So if you are new to YouTube um, content creation and your target is to get monetized, first thing I would recommend you do is make sure you have an international passport, because that's the only identity document that you can use to complete your verification on Google Adsense. So before you get to the benchmark for monetization, you can start processing your international passport so you can get it on time before uh, you are approved for monetization. Because the moment you get approved for monetization, you will have just 40 days, I think 41 days to verify your identity on Google AdSense. And if you don't verify your identity within that period of time, YouTube will stop showing ads on your video, which means no revenue for you. To get that ahead of time would help you complete the identity verification as soon as the monetization benchmark is as soon as you've gotten to that point where you can monetize. That's with the 4,000 public watch hours if you do normal video, or the 10 million if you make use of shorts videos, that's the reels. Now the second part, the address verification. This address verification, you'll be asked to provide your house address, your payment address rather. Now when you submit this address, a verification pin will be sent to you by Google AdSense. Now here is the trickish part. This verification pin would not be sent to your house address, and you will not be getting any call to pick it up. This will be delivered to the post office within your vicinity. Now if you're in Nigeria, I would recommend you go to my post office, anyone close to your area. That's after 1 month you've requested for the pin. You go there with your identity card and you tell them you want to get your mail from Google AdSense. They will ask for your name and then check if they've received yours. Then you can submit your phone number. When they get it, they'll call you. But if you wait for it thinking it will be delivered to the house address you submitted here, it's not going to come true. So it's better you go out and look for it. You can check from the headquarters down to the closest post office within your vicinity. So once you get that, the next thing is to put in the 6-digit code that you will see in the mail. I'm going to display what the mail letter looks like so you could see it and be able to identify it when you get it. So that's how you get prepared for YouTube monetization. For the pin, you have to go to the post office to claim it, and in order for you not to waste your time or waste resources, make sure you have everything ready. Your identity verification, you have only 3 trials, just 3. If you lose those 3 trials, you're not getting any on that AdSense account. You would have to create another account, and if you're creating another account, you have to close the previous account first. The process is very long, so in order for you not to make mistakes, make sure your international passport is ready before you begin the process, and capture it in such a way that it's not going to be rejected. Submit your address. Now the next thing I want to talk about is the payment method. If you come to payment info, you scroll down, you can see manage payment method. This is where you put in your payment method. Let's say I want to add another payment method aside the one I already have here. You get this page, you select wire transfer, and then you tap on save. So now we need to type in all of this. Beneficiary ID, you can skip that part. Now name on the bank account, this is where you put the name on your bank account. Make sure you're using a commercial account, because microfinance account would not be able to receive payment from Google Adsense. So you put the name on your account, the bank name, the Swift BIC, code. I will show you how to get that. Then your account number, and then you will type your account number. You will leave the other parts. So concerning the Swift BIC, let's go here. To check the Swift or BIC code for your bank, I'm going to leave the link to this site in the description of this video. So you scroll down to this, find the Swift code. This place you select your country. So I type Nigeria. Select your bank. So whichever bank you're using, you type in the bank. Let's say I'm using Guarantee Trusts, that's GTB. You type GTB, and then you choose your location, say Lagos. I type find. This is the code for GTB INGLE triple X. That's the Swift code for GT. Now if I want to search for another, it's the same process. So I do Nigeria, I want to look for Wema Bank in Lagos. So it's important to submit this code in order for you to get the money without any stress. So this is the Swift/BIC code for Wema Bank PLC. And you could do the same for other country. I'm just showing you this for Nigeria. So you submit this, and then you make it your primary payments. So when you get to the point you can receive payments, you'll be able to do that. So this is my YouTube studio. Let's scroll. Okay. So you can see this getting paid. The setup is complete. You get paid between the 21st and the 26th of the month. That's if you meet up to the payment threshold. And let me show you something about the threshold. This is my YouTube studio app. Let's go to the end section. So in the end section, you can see the YouTube partner, and currently on $40.32. So you see, you will get paid once you pass $100. So $100 is the minimum you get before you request for a payment, and payment will be sent to the accounts you put in your wire transfer. So you see, that's it. And if you happen to have questions regarding any of this, please leave the question in the comment section and I will attend to those questions as soon as I can. You could also chat me privately if you need assistance on any of those things. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, drop a like, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.